Good morning, Read 101 students. This is week 2 of the spring semester. This week we're going to focus on reading strategies for academic reading. What I would like for you to do for this week is to read chapter 1 in your textbook chapter, Reading for Thinking. I also would like for you to read chapter 1 in your novel Burro Genius by Victor Villaseñor. I do have a PowerPoint handout as well as an article to reinforce what you read in chapter 1. There's the video as well, again to reinforce what we're reading. And also we have a discussion board assignment this week. You need to post by Wednesday, so be mindful that there is a couple of dates for this assignment. One is to post your assignment and another deadline to reply back to your peers. In addition, you have a Burro Genius Chapter 1 quiz, and you have an assignment, a journal assignment for the SQ3R based on the information that you read. If you have any questions, please let me know during the week. Thank you very much for your posts for week 1, for your introductions, as well as for your assignment on communicating with the instructor. Have a wonderful week and read happy.